Flames on the hilltops rise, smoke drapes the evening skies. We are shadows in the pine. Cold steel on saddle beasts, hearts pounding like the east, where the sun wakes fierce and wild. Lithuania calls her sons. Brothers ride where rivers run. Amber fields and forests deep. Homeland's cry will never sleep. Of 1,000 sound, our blood is old as snow. The moon watches from afar, guiding us beneath the stars. We march, we fight, we hold.